Hi everyone, welcome to the Magic Garden. We got some very special new seeds in today. These seeds are special because they make color-changing flowers. The first magical flower we have is calendula. That's a pretty hard word, calendula. The next flower we have is a tulip. Can you say tulip? Before we get started, I need to find my magic gloves. Can you say gloves? You said gloves, and my magic gloves appeared. Thank you. Now we have all the tools that we need to get started. We wear gloves when we're gardening to help protect our fingers and hands. This is the magic soil that the flowers will grow in. Next, we need our seeds. We have 2 flower pots, 1, 2, and we also have our spray bottle for water, so we can water the flowers. Let's put on our gloves so we can get started. We're putting the gloves on our hands. Perfect. Our magic seeds came with magic instructions. Let's grab our guide or our instructions and see what the first step is. Can you find the number 1? Here it is. Step 1. We need to put the soil into our pots. Let's grab our orange flower pots and put them side by side. Now that we have our flower pots ready, we can add the magic soil. Add it to the first pot and add some magic soil to the second pot, and voila! Step 1 is complete. What do we need to do for step 2? We need to add the seed. The first flower we're going to plant is the tulip, the pink tulip. So we open the seed package. Whoop, in goes the seed. Let's push it down into the soil to make sure it grows big and strong. Into the soil. Now that that's done, we are ready for step number 3. What do we need to do? We're going to put a tulip sign into the soil so we know which flower we're expecting to come up. Let's grab our sign. We'll put the identification sign into the soil. Ta-da! Now we know which flower we planted here. Step 4, we need to water our seed. So let's grab our spray bottle. Grab the spray bottle and spray some water on the flower. Spraying water on the seed. This will help it grow big and strong. Let's move on to our calendula flower. We already have step 1 completed, so we need to move on to step number 2. For step 2, we need to add the seed to the soil. So we'll grab our calendula seed and open it up, and we'll pour the seed into the soil. Just like with our tulip flower, we need to push the seed a little bit into the soil so it can grow big and strong. We'll push the seed into the soil. Now, what do we need to do for step number 3? We need to add our identification sign. This helps us to remember that we planted calendula here. The next step in our list of instructions is to water the flower. Let's grab our spray bottle full of water and spray the dirt, spray the seed so it grows big and tall. Perfect. Let's review. We added soil to our flower pots. We planted seeds and we watered them. We even added identification signs. The hardest part is next. We have to wait. We're going to set these in the sun so they can grow big and strong. We'll have to check on them later to see how they're growing.